really true. I fell in love with the first sight of you.
Lightweight completed. Look, in 1764. Do you see that ish?
Do I?
This is literally older than the country. It's 1776, and that's 1764. This is older than America.
Holy balls, mate. When in doubt,
Chickens.
what the hell? What the hell is up, guys? This is us and Rob. Say hi, Rob. Yeah. Yeah, we're in Sandy Hook. We're gonna do some exploring. We're gonna see how it's like. We're gonna be testing out the DJI Mobile and the GoPro.
Tell me we can't go in there. Welcome to the open for free tours. Oh, we can't go in. Go to the battery.
We can go in here? Yeah, whatever. Whoa, holy shit, bro. Look, guys, it's Rib. Whoa!
Yo!
Holy shit. I'm a dog! But well, it stops. That's a lot better. Sometimes it's the weight distribution fucks this thing up, you know what I mean?
I failed. Well, I'm gonna do this and film it.
You wanna film a rap video here? Whoa, what the fuck?
Is that part of the tour?
You wanna see if someone's in there?
No, I just wanted to hear how far it goes in.
And something comes out.
Here we have a Wild OZ. Let's read up on our history, guys. Mortar battery. All right, so that's what was in there.
No, a message from our sponsors.
Brought to you by what? I don't even know what am I selling, right?
You're selling pussy.
Really, nigga?
Run with me. I'm gonna be filming you while you're running.
You know how embarrassing that is to my viewers, bro? We're gonna do a test sprinting and we'll go with you with this. Hold on. I'm gonna follow you.
Yo. All right, so play that footage back. I stopped it, or I think I did. What?
You're recording? Alright, at least I got some stuff on my camera.
This was built in 1902. It's history for you guys right there. This is pre-World War I.
grandpa's were even locked. On the boats, right? When he died. But look, the door's open. No one's watching.
Hazardous area. Why though?
Gay!
Take a picture of that. Being a bobber.
Look, niggas, a bunch of fucking history. Fucking hell. Out of the camera, Rip.
Yeah.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G.
Snoop Dogg!
Look at this shit, guys. Look! Holy shit. You're actually going up there and recording?
Yeah. Oh, there's more in there? I didn't even see that. That's like
I didn't see that either.
that's like a hidden like Easter egg. Look at that. I did not see this when I walked by. It's gonna come out and eat me.
No.
I see a devil star. I'm not going there. Screw that. I'm not trying to be sacrificed.
Who has the balls to go in here at 12 in the morning to put this graffiti in here, bro?
Alright, I'm good.
There's more up there.
There's more.
Not going down my phone.
I'm not trying to step out of mine.
Yeah, word.
I like my legs. I mean, they didn't say anything about this. They didn't block this
Yo, I'm
part
so
out.
glad I got these things.
Oh, look at this.
This looks so smooth.
This is a nice one to hang out. Spend the night and then explore late at night.
Put the light on real quick. So let's check the. Let's take the whole. Let's look at the whole thing.
See, this one I want to see. I didn't want to be locked up looking at those people behind me.
Yeah, we're explorers. We got
Yeah, because they didn't say anything about this. This is not blocked off.
No.
So there's no danger here.
I know they rent, they fixed two houses right down the street. They're $250 a night.
$250, oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, the military ones, they're $250 a night. That's good to, for a weekend, come explore late at night to see.
You seen this hole yet?
Yeah, I already put the camera through there. Well, that fits more. That fits easier.
Feel the heat.
Yeah, that's what I thought. The Google. We get really smooth.
You like exploring things too?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh,
That
no.
was a little bit dangerous because they got all those wires.
Ah.
Right there. They look like that's what they used to use back in the days in the military. All right, guys.
All right, take it easy.
Let's go.
I told